Hello, my pony lover. Today I have prepared an interesting video again. Enjoy watching it. This is Pinkie Pie, and now we'll see what kind of dog she'd be. Wow, what a fun-loving pup. I wonder what tricks she knows. Up next, it's Applejack as a dog. Hee-haw! What a hard-working and loyal dog. I bet she's great with herding. I'm very upset that you don't give me likes, and I don't feel like making videos because not many people watch them. Please help me and give me a like so that more people will see this video. What an adorable little pup. I wonder if she's as curious as she is in pony form. Now it's Derpy's turn. Let's see her as a dog. Oh my, what a cute and derpy dog. I hope she doesn't lose her toys too often. Our next pony is Fluttershy, portrayed as a dog. How sweet. She looks like the most gentle and caring dog. I wonder if she has a soft spot for animals. Twilight Sparkle's dog transformation is up next. A dog with a love for books. I bet she's the most intelligent pup in town. Now, let's see what kind of dog Princess Cadence would be. What an elegant and graceful dog. I wonder if she's a natural dancer. Up next, it's Princess Celestia's dog version. Such regal poise even as a dog. I bet she'd be a majestic companion. And here's Princess Luna transformed into a dog. A mystical and enchanting dog. I wonder if she still watches over dreams. Now, let's see Rarity's doggy side. What an elegant and stylish dog. She must have impeccable taste in accessories. Last but not least, it's Zikora's dog incarnation. A mysterious and wise dog. I wonder if she still speaks in rhymes. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Write in the comments which dog looks the most like your pony. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.